Right now, billions of particles are passing through you. Most of them don't even notice you exist. So why do some stay and others pass straight through? Physics didn't begin with equations. It began with confusion. Early humans noticed something strange. Fire behaved differently than stone. Light behaved differently than sound. And magnetism, that felt like magic. So we did the most human thing possible. We grouped things. Classification isn't scientific at first, it's survival. But for centuries, we thought matter was simple. One substance, different shapes. But the deeper we looked, the more the illusion broke. Solids weren't solid. They were mostly empty space. And inside that space, motion, rules, behavior. Suddenly, what something is mattered less than how it behaves. And now listen to this. One of the strangest discoveries? Spin. Not spinning like a top, but an intrinsic personality. Particles with half-integer spin behave like introverts. Particles with whole number spin, social, cooperative, unlimited. This single difference splits the universe in two. Ooh, crazy stuff. Therefore, fermions are the reason you are not a cloud of mist. They obey something called the Pauli exclusion principle, which is just a fancy way of saying no duplicates allowed. Every electron demands its own identity. This resistance creates atoms, chemistry, biology, you. Without fermions refusing to overlap, reality collapses into nothing. Strange, right? Now, listen next. Quarks are strange. They never appear alone, ever. Try to separate them and you create more quarks. The universe refuses solitude at this level. That force holding them together, stronger than anything we know. But bosons? Bosons are not builders, they're events. Every force you feel is a boson being exchanged. Light isn't a thing, it's a conversation. Without bosons, no light, no forces, no interaction, no universe. Looks like no bosons, nothing. But listen about this one. If this video is changing how you see reality, help it reach someone else. Like, subscribe, keep curiosity moving. Once, particles moved at light speed. Then, something changed. A field appeared, slowing some particles down. Resistance created mass. The Higgs isn't a particle, it's a cosmic molasses. And without it, nothing could ever stop long enough to exist. My brain starts melting, but oh no, there are more. Let's continue with the next one. Neutrinos barely touch reality. They pass through planets like they aren't there. Their existence tells us something terrifying. The universe is full of things that ignore us completely, and physics still counts them. The Standard Model is beautiful, but it's incomplete. It can't explain gravity, dark matter, dark energy, consciousness, which means classification is ongoing. Reality isn't finished being understood. And why we do this? We classify particles for the same reason we classify stars, to find order in a universe that doesn't owe us meaning. But the more we classify, the more connected everything becomes. You are not separate from the cosmos. You are a pattern the universe learned how to repeat. From quarks to consciousness, the universe builds itself from categories and rules, and you are one of its outcomes. Stay curious.